Explore the dynamic world of global finance, where Asian markets are closely mirroring Wall Street's recent surge, particularly in the technology sector. This video delves into how Wall Street's significant gains, driven by a robust performance in tech stocks, are influencing Asian markets. We examine the reasons behind Wall Street's rise, including investor confidence, economic optimism, and breakthroughs in the tech industry. The video also highlights the interconnectedness of global financial markets, showcasing how developments in one region, like the US, can have a ripple effect across other markets, including Asia. We discuss the implications of this trend for investors and the broader economic landscape, emphasizing the role of technology as a key driver in today's market dynamics. Join us for an insightful analysis of how Asian markets are responding to Wall Street's tech-driven growth and what it means for the global economy. In Part 8, we focus on the resilience of the U.S. labor market and its influence on global markets. This segment provides an in-depth analysis of the recent data, showing a strong U.S. labor market despite high borrowing costs. We discuss how this economic strength is shaping the Federal Reserve's policy decisions and the broader implications for global financial markets, including the tech sector's performance and the response of Asian markets to these developments. In the 10th installment of our series, we explore how Asian economies are responding to the trends set by the U.S. markets. This video delves into the reactions of key Asian financial centers to the tech-led rally on Wall Street and the U.S. economic data. We discuss how markets in Tokyo, Taipei, Hong Kong, Seoul, Singapore, and Wellington are adjusting their strategies in light of the U.S. market movements, and the implications of these responses for the Asian economies and their future market prospects. Part 9 of our series examines the significant role of tech giants in shaping market dynamics. We analyze how companies like Apple, Nvidia, and Amazon, influenced by Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Co.'s optimistic outlook, are driving investor confidence and market trends. This video explores the impact of these tech leaders on global financial markets, highlighting their contribution to the tech-led rally on Wall Street and the subsequent effects on Asian markets and the broader global economy. In Part 6 of our series, we explore the role of geopolitical tensions in shaping global market trends. This video examines how recent geopolitical events have influenced investor confidence and market dynamics, particularly in relation to the tech-led rally on Wall Street and its impact on Asian markets. We analyze the interplay between global politics and financial markets, discussing how geopolitical uncertainties can lead to market volatility and affect investment decisions. Part 7 of our series delves into the impact of recent U.S. inflation data on global markets. We examine how the latest figures, showing consumer inflation popping expectations, have affected market sentiments and investor strategies. This video discusses the implications of high inflation rates on the Federal Reserve's interest rate decisions and how these economic indicators are influencing global financial markets, including the tech sector and Asian economies. In Part 2 of our series, we focus on the recent U.S. economic data and Federal Reserve policies that are influencing global markets. This segment provides an analysis of the latest inflation and job market data from the U.S., showing a resilient economy despite high borrowing costs. We discuss how these economic indicators are affecting the Federal Reserve's stance on interest rates and the subsequent impact on investor expectations and market dynamics, both in the U.S. and internationally. In the fourth part of our series, we delve into the significant influence of the tech sector on global markets. This video highlights the role of major tech firms, including their financial performance and market outlook, in shaping investor confidence and market trends. We discuss how Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Co.'s strong revenue and capital spending outlook has boosted the tech sector, leading to a surge in their U.S.-listed firms and impacting global market sentiments. The analysis covers the interplay between tech sector developments and broader market dynamics. Part 3 of our series examines the responses of Asian markets to the tech-led rally on Wall Street and the U.S. economic data. We analyze how Asian tech giants like Tokyo Electron, Advanced, and Samsung have surged in response to the positive trends in the U.S. The video also explores the broader market movements in key Asian financial centers, including Tokyo, Taipei, Hong Kong, Seoul, Singapore, and Wellington, highlighting how these markets are reacting to global economic signals and adjusting their strategies accordingly. Part 1 of our series delves into the impact of Wall Street's recent tech rally on global markets. We explore how major tech companies like Apple, Nvidia, and Amazon, buoyed by Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Co.'s positive outlook, have influenced market sentiments. This surge has led to a ripple effect across global markets, particularly in Asia, where tech firms have seen significant gains. The video examines the factors contributing to this tech-led rally and its broader implications for global financial trends. Dive into the latest global market update, where Asian markets experienced a significant rise. On Friday, following a tech-led rally on Wall Street, this surge helped alleviate concerns about the Federal Reserve's interest rate plans. We explore the key factors influencing this shift, including U.S. data on inflation and jobs, and central bank officials' comments, alongside growing geopolitical tensions. Despite January's market downturn, recent data shows the U.S. economy remains robust, with consumer inflation exceeding expectations and a strong labor market despite high borrowing costs. Thursday's unexpected slowdown in jobless claims suggests the Fed may maintain elevated rates to control inflation. Traders have adjusted their expectations, reducing the likelihood of a March interest rate cut. SPI Asset Management's Stephen Ninnis highlights the positive outlook for 2024, citing disinflationary pressures from China and Germany. Atlanta Fed boss Raphael Bostic's comments on potential rate cuts add to the market dynamics. The video also covers the tech sector's impact, led by giants like Apple, Nvidia, and Amazon. Following Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Co.'s optimistic spending and revenue outlook, Asian tech firms, including Tokyo Electron and Samsung, saw notable gains, reflecting broader market positivity. However, concerns over China's economy persist, affecting Shanghai's performance. Join us for an in-depth analysis of these developments and their implications for global markets. Part 11 of our series focuses on evaluating the policies of central banks and their impact on global markets. This video provides an analysis how decisions made by the Federal Reserve and other central banks, particularly regarding interest rates, are influencing investor sentiment and market trends. We explore the balance central banks must strike between controlling inflation and supporting economic growth, and how their policies are shaping the financial landscape, affecting everything from the tech sector to Asian economies and broader global market dynamics.